And tax-evading Chinese traders are the targets of an intensified campaign of the BIR. The full story from George Bandola.
The Bureau of Internal Revenue has renewed and redesigned their strategies to run after tax-evading Chinese traders in the Manila Chinatown shopping area. Naka-civilian kayo, bakit?
Kasi sabi nila, this is my first TCVD in RR6. Kasi daw pag naka-uniform kayo ng BIR, nagpa-park pa lang kami ng sasakyan, nakikita na ng mga security, so natitimbre na yung mga establishments, nagsasara na. So sabi namin, okay, so hindi mag-uniform, kanina pagpasok namin nila, mga regular shoppers lang Tsaka pag pumapasok kami sa establishment, hindi nila kami na BIR. So I think effective yung strategy.
BIR officials say most of the mall security officers serve as tipsters to traders. This enables the dishonest traders to evade examination by the tax officers.
Actually, hindi maliliit dito malalaki sila. Nagpapanggap lang silang maliit. Kaya may papasurveillance na ako dito. Ang tigas ng ulo Sabi ko, i-show man na resibo, lahat na bumibili. Hindi naman humihingi, ma'am. Sabi ko, wrong answer ka. Kasi lang hindi humihingi. Sabi ko, sige, i-show mo, ang tigas ng ulo. Surveillance. Surveillance siya.
Aside from the tax mapping operations, the Bureau is relentless in campaigning for the use of valid receipts and point-of-sale machines to further enhance their capacity to track down the taxes payable to the government.
The way that Ma'am Sally is hitting the ground running, mas malamang makukuha. Pala ngayon June. Tapos 6 months ago, with the way things are going, hindi nyo alam kung talaga.
BIR assures a persistent campaign against those who try to escape the tax law. For People's Television, George Bandola.